Most people lose money trading options, not because they're lazy and not because they're dumb either, but because they're just guessing without a real strategy or plan. And in the options market, guessing is the fastest way to go broke. So here's what usually happens. You watch a few YouTube videos maybe, you get hyped by a Reddit post, and you jump into a trade ready to make some money. You buy a call, maybe a put, it moves against you, and suddenly the premium disappears. You were hoping for a quick win, but ended up learning a costly lesson. And at the end of the day, that just feels like gambling, because without the right education or strategy, it kind of is. And unfortunately, that's how most people approach options. No real edge, no risk management, just click and hope. And that's where TheoTrade comes in. So TheoTrade isn't just another trading course. It's a complete training platform built by former floor traders, hedge fund pros, and market makers who've traded in every kind of market. These aren't your social media traders or your weekend hobbyists or your influencers. These are full-time professionals who've made a living in the markets, and now they're sharing their playbook. Inside TheoTrade, you'll get structured training on strategies like credit spreads, iron condors, butterflies, hedging, volatility trading, and much more. But it's not just theory either. They actually walk you through when to use each strategy, how to manage risk, and why position sizing is everything. You'll also get live trading rooms, real-time trade alerts, daily market analysis, and ongoing mentorship. So even if you're a beginner, you're really never trading alone. Most trading courses just push hype and unrealistic expectations and then don't follow up on that. But TheoTrade is grounded in reality. They focus on risk-first trading. They'll teach you how to protect your capital, manage volatility, and trade in any kind of market in a safe and strategic way. And they don't just teach you, the one magic setup that works every time. They give you the knowledge to build a real trading business, one that can grow with you over time. I've seen traders go from confused and frustrated to confident and consistent and start making profits. One TheoTrader user told me that they went from chasing trades to planning trades, and it completely changed their mindset. Another user said that TheoTrade gave them the structure and discipline they were missing, and now they're finally seeing results that they can build on. It's not a get-rich-quick system. It's a real education that you should have had from the start. And look, options trading really does have huge potential, but without the right foundation, it's almost a guaranteed failure and loss of money. Blown accounts, emotional burnout, years of bad habits. TheoTrade helps you avoid all of that. It's the shortcut to becoming a skilled, risk-aware trader who plays the game with a plan because you're actually learning about the plan and everything that goes into it and all the education and all of that backup that you have. So if you want to learn more about it, click our exclusive link in the description below to get started with TheoTrade. There are free resources, premium memberships, and a full education library waiting for you. And if you're serious about trading, I think this is the kind of edge that you really can't afford to ignore. The market is brutal to the unprepared, but for those who take it seriously, there's opportunity. TheoTrade helps you trade smarter, think bigger, and finally stop guessing. Make your next trade your best one. Start with TheoTrade today.